For the next workshop, we're going to be doing 10-minute blind contours of our hands. A blind contour basically means that you are not looking at your subject while you're drawing it. For a setup, you're going to need one sheet of newsprint and a stick of compressed charcoal. Before you get started, use your non-dominant hand and place it in a position that you will feel comfortable holding for 10 minutes. I want you to try and make this as big as you can and not really stick to one part of the page. And there are two really important things to keep in mind when you're doing a blind contour. The first one is that you should keep your charcoal stuck to the paper at all times. So notice how everything I draw is being done really by just one line, and what I'm trying to do is I'll change my pressure against the paper depending on if I'm drawing a finger, if I want to convey the fleshier parts of my thumbs or my index finger or the pads of my fingers or my palms. I'll go a little lighter if I want to draw the lines on my palms. I'll go a little heavier if I want to convey shadow. The more you look at an object, the more you start to notice details that you didn't really even think were there in the first place, which is why I'm giving you 10 minutes to do this assignment. The first time I gave this demo, I started off way too fast, and this first drawing that you see, I actually only did in 5 minutes instead of 10. So I'm trying this again a second time, and I'm going to go as slowly as I possibly can and take extra time to notice all the details in my hand. And the second time I did this demo, the drawing turned out incredibly different. Notice how the second time I did the demo, I really wasn't thinking so much about whether my hand actually looked like a hand in the drawing. But instead, you can also see that there is so much more detail and rich information on the lines, on shadow, on the direction of the fingers. And these are the things that I want you to think about. Think about it almost as if you're drawing a map. So don't stress about whether you think it looks correct or not, whether you think the proportions are off. That's not the point of this. I'd rather you really take the time to look at all of the ridges and crevices in your hand, all of the marks, all of the wrinkles, all of the bones, all of the different folds in your skin. I really want you to concentrate and look at it and try to think about what your hand is doing. How is your hand mapping out what you see? So now I want you to try out your own blind contour of your own hand at home. This is not an easy thing to do, but I promise that with a lot of practice and building the muscle of drawing, I guarantee that these are going to become a lot more easier and a lot more comfortable, and it's really a matter also of trusting yourself and your ability really to just go with the flow and have fun. Think of the blind contour almost like a meditation. If you're zoning out or feeling like you're falling asleep, that's how you know you're doing it wrong. You really want to be as present as possible, and you really want to be focused on how it is that you're observing the different parts of your hand.